Tired of your phone dying midday? Meet the Anker PowerCore 20,000 milliamp hours, your ultimate power solution. This portable powerhouse ensures your devices stay charged wherever life takes you. With a massive 20,000 milliamp hours capacity, it can charge an iPhone 6 times, perfect for long trips or busy days. What truly sets it apart is Anker's Power IQ technology, intelligently optimizing charging speed for any connected device. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can easily charge your phone and tablet simultaneously. No more waiting turns. This isn't just a battery pack, it's peace of mind, built with Anker's legendary reliability and safety features. If you're searching for the best portable charger or a reliable power bank for travel in 2025, this is an absolute must-have. Ready to upgrade your charging game? Find the Amazon link in the description below to grab your own Anker PowerCore 20,000. It's an indispensable gadget for anyone who relies on their mobile devices throughout the day. Don't get caught with a dead battery again. I highly recommend this top-tier power bank.